We'll start with warm up. Let's start with neck movements. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, semicircle, downward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Upward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now move your hands from back to front like this along with your torso. So also move your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Move your body also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now leg straight, bend down, toe tap, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now quickly calf raises. 1, just raise your heels up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now we'll begin with low intensity agility workouts. Now agility workouts are specially designed to improve your flexibility, agility, improve your response actions. Okay, so these are basically practiced by athletes, and for us also it is very important. So I'll keep explaining you, but let's start with some small intensity agility. So what we need to do is, now I'm not using any mat over here, so we just need to walk, jog forward, knee rotation, and back. Again jog forward, other leg, and back. Okay, so we will do 15 with each leg. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and start. Jog, into, out, and back. Again jog, into, out, and back. Keep going. 2, 3, just 2, 3 steps forward, knee rotation. 4, you got it. It is very easy. 5, 6, 7, keep going. 8, you lift your knee and rotate. 9, 10, 11, just 4 more. 12, 13, 14, and last 15. Okay, so this was good warm up and also low intensity agility. Now we're going to do reverse lunge and twist. Okay, 10 with each leg. We'll do it alternate leg. Let's start. Reverse lunge, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. जो लेग आगे है वो साइड में टर्न होना है. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. ज्यादा डीप नहीं रिवर्स लंज होगा तो भी चलेगा. 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and last 20. Okay, excellent. Now we're going to do squats and calf raise and up. Okay, those who cannot do this squat plus calf raise, they just can do a simple squat followed by a calf raise. Okay, but those who can follow me, go in a squat, calf raise, and up. 1, 2, 3. Dhanashri, keep everybody on mute. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're going to do leg curls. So leg curl and back. Move forward, leg curl and back. Okay, 10 each. Let's start. 1. Keep moving forward and backward. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sync your motion. 6, 7, 8. Hold your knee and pull it towards your chest. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so these were low intensity agility warm-ups. You can sip water. Now we'll move towards next level. Okay, now these workouts are going to help your brain and body to coordinate well, okay, which helps you in day-to-day life also. Okay, now in next round what we're going to do is take very low jumps and baby steps in forward direction, okay, and then go back. Okay, 7 to 8 steps ahead and 7 to 8 steps back, and don't jump high, don't jump heavy. Okay, just light jumps, and if you're not able to jump, you just can do baby step jog and then go back like you're doing skipping. Okay, those who can jump, start with me. 3, 2, 1. So 10 step forwards, 10 times forward, 10 times backward will do. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, and start. Be on your toes, forward, and go back. Okay. While going back, forward. Now, while going back, keep your core straight, neck straight, keep looking in forward direction and back. 3, go back. 4, and back. And those who cannot jump, you can do like this. 5, and go back. Do a skipping action. 6, forward, baby steps, go back. Don't take long steps. 7, and go back. 8, don't touch your heels on the ground. Be on your toes and back. 9, and back. And 10, and back. And relax. Excellent. Sip water. So during this agility session, you're going to need a lot of water. Okay. Now we are going to do heel toe kick. Now we're going to start with this leg position. So on your heel, one leg ahead, and then change like this. So back foot is on my toe, front foot is on my heel, and then keep changing this way. Okay, very easy. If you cannot jump and switch, you can do one leg at a time. Be on your toes and just touch your heel in forward direction. Knee is locked here. Okay, so let's start. We'll do 20. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, toe, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Try to coordinate. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Excellent. Now we'll do heel toe walk with one leg only. So one leg stationary, heel and toe. Okay, heel and toe. So 20 times with right leg first. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, toe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Change, no break. Do it with other leg now. 1, 2. Now, if your left leg is ahead, your right hand has to go up. Okay, so that is how you are going to maintain balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep going easy. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. Now the next progression with heel toe is you need to walk in forward direction, but don't cross your leg. Don't go ahead of your other leg. Okay, just this much, and jack, jack. Okay, 1, like this. 2. So in L shape, you need to move your leg. Other leg is stationary. Okay, don't keep your knee straight. Keep your leg soft. Okay, and then just move your other leg. Okay, when you are doing a jack feet, ensure you are pointing your toe towards ground and your knee is locked. Okay, so let's start. We'll do 20 with each leg. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Change, no break, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. Relax, supporter. So we'll just try to relax our legs. So try to keep your knee straight. Bend forward direction 90 degree. Hold this. Now bend down. And hold. Allow your breath to come to normal. You are going to sweat a lot in this session. Enjoy that. Okay. Now we are going to do steps in a plank position. So let me show you first. So go in a high plank. Okay. Now 2 steps on the right side, then back. 2 steps on left side and back. Okay. So we'll do 10 repetitions on each side. Okay. So we're going to follow some steps, but in plank position. Everybody get ready. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2. 2 steps and 2 steps. 4, 5, as quick as possible. 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your hip low. 9 and 10. And more. Come on. 11 and 12. Don't move your hands. 13 and 14. 15 and 16. 17 and 18. And 19. And last 20. Excellent. You can go in child pose and relax. Water. Okay. Now we'll need a water bottle for reference. So take one water bottle and keep it on the ground. Right. Now you imagine a triangle and this water bottle is in the center of this triangle. Okay. Now what you have to do is I'm on the one corner of the triangle. So I'm going to move in anti-clockwise direction first for 10 times. I'll show you how. So go from side to side in a triangular position. Okay. So anti-clockwise 10 times and then clockwise 10 times. Okay. So keep your water bottle in the center. Imagine a triangle and we will start. Everybody ready? You can keep any object. It may not be a water bottle. It can be a dumbbell. It can be anything. Okay, which will not move. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1, and start. So on your toes, quickly face out to side when you are moving up. 2 in a triangular motion. 3, it has to be quick enough. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, quick, and 10. Now no break, immediately on the right side, other side, clockwise direction now. 1, 2, show your reflex actions. 3, 4, 5. Try to achieve your max speed and try to retain it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Keep that bottle as it is. Sip water. Then relax. So in this exercise, basically, we are definitely working on our legs. Okay, we are working on the cardio, right? Third important thing is we are moving quickly, so our brain is sending fast instructions to our legs, and the most important thing is we are changing positions and navigating in different directions in very short span of time. Okay, so this is really athletic, and if you practice more, you are going to get excellent focus and concentration in your day-to-day life. Okay, excellent workouts for kids also. You can ask your kids to do this, they will definitely enjoy this. Now we are going to follow a square. Okay, now for all the edges we are going to face outside, so in square direction. Okay, right, so keep that bottle. If you are not basically used to this, you might feel some thoda sa chakkar aa sakta hai, so go slow, and if you want to have little low intensity, you can face inside. Okay, one more. So we go do normal square, 5 count clockwise and 5 counts anti-clockwise. Let's start. Face outside. First we'll do anti-clockwise. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, square position. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Okay, now we are going to follow a square shape, but now a diamond shape. Okay, so from here to the peak, then side, and then back. So we're going to move forward in diamond position, and we are going to move backward in diamond position. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds. Sip water. So in this exercise, you need to be on your toes always. Okay, legs like a spring, and you need to be in active position. Okay, don't keep your heels on the ground, and you will not be able to move faster with that position. Okay, so start 10 clockwise and 10 anti-clockwise. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, start. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back in diamond shape, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, back, and 10, back. Reverse, no break. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, back, and last, and back. Relax. We'll take break for 1 minute. I know you are sweating. Your legs might be paining, but enjoy this. Now take other water bottle. Okay, we need 2. Okay. So you keep more than 1.5 feet distance in your bottles. And now we're going to draw 8 shape. So English 8 number. So it's like this. Okay. So I'm moving in 8 number like this. Okay. Let's start. Let's do 20 steps or 20 rounds. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. 1. 8 number. 2, 3. You got it. Keep moving. 4. Quick, quick. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you feel tired, you can take a break. 9. Try to complete 20 steps. 10. Halfway done. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. दशहरे पे जो भी खाया याद करो उसको. 18. We need to burn all today. 19. And 20. And everybody relax. Sip water. Excellent round. Now we don't need this water. Keep it up. We'll just relax for 1 minute. Okay, so spread your legs and move your ankles in forward and backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fold your knees. Turn from left to right. 1. Just relaxing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we'll do one more exercise. Lie down on your back. First watch. So we are going to do first one leg folded, one leg straight. Now we are going to do 10 repetitions with right leg first. What we are doing is leg raise, fold, and high knee. Leg raise, fold, and high knee. Okay, so this is active rest plus stretching just to feel you relaxed. Let's do 10 repetitions with right leg first. Leg straight, leg raise, and high knee. 2, high knee. Keep your foot horizontal like this. 3, high knee. 4, try to keep your knee straight when you're raising it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Okay, so your legs are relaxed. Get up. Now we'll start next round. Now we're going to do shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a long jump. Again, go back. Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long jump with opposite leg. Okay. So first long jump with right leg. Second long jump with left leg. Okay. So we'll do 20 repetitions. So 10 each. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, other leg, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 4 repetitions done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, and back. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back. Keep going. Don't stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and back. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, and back. Excellent. Okay, now spread your legs. We're going to do cross high knee and leg tap in back direction. Okay, so first you need to do cross high knee. Try to touch your elbow to knee, and then try to touch your ankle in back direction. So if you do it with speed, it will be like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 15 with one leg and 15 with other leg. Okay, spread your legs. Okay, we need to coordinate well. Okay, there should not be any mistake in these steps, front and back, front and back. Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Focus. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Quickly change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So all these agility exercises basically teach you to do multitasking with a focus. Okay, so excellent for kids. And most important thing is both of your brains will coordinate well. Okay, generally our one brain is dominant, other brain is not, but here we need to show full efficiency with left side as well as right side. So both the brains are going to get trained. So this is excellent for everybody, but especially for kids, and they will show a good growth in their studies also. Okay, so ask your kids to practice these exercises. Now we are going to do some core agility exercise. This is the last exercise before we end. For that, just get down. Okay, now first watch what I'm doing. Now, without using my hands and legs, I'm going to turn on one side and get on my stomach. And without using my hands and legs, I'm going to restore my position. Okay, so 10 times we will go on the right side and 10 times on the left side. And don't use your hands to turn, okay, and legs also. Try to keep them in the air and turn only with your core muscles. So you're making your core muscles agile. Okay, start. 3, 2, 1, and start. 1, turn, and back. Dhanushi, let me know if I am visible properly. 2, and back.
Yes, Advait.
3. Okay, good. Keep going. You got it. 4, turn. Just use your core muscles. Don't use your hands. 5, and back. 6, and back. 7. I always enjoy doing this exercise. 8, and back. आपके घर में कोई दूसरा है तो वो डर सकता है आपको देख के. Make them understand what you're doing. And 10. Now we are going to turn on the side, on the left side now. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, and start. 1, and turn. Don't use your knees, don't use your legs. 2, and turn. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. And 10. Excellent. And back. Okay. Now lie down on your back and relax for 1 minute. This 1 minute is gifted. Do Shavasana, just relax, do nothing. Focus on your breaths. Take long, deep breath and relax. If you have noticed, when you do such exercises, you do not have any thought in your mind, and indirectly you are doing a meditation while doing such exercises. And that is why you feel fresh after exercise. Just relax. Now slowly fold your legs. Raise your hip and hold it. Stretch your back. Take it down. Now twist legs on your left side and upper body on your right side. Change, switch sides. Okay. Now fold your legs with your elbows. Try to hold your knees tight. Pull it towards your chest. Hold this. And now from here, go in child pose. Try to touch your forehead on the ground. Press your hip down. Arms straight. Stretch them outwards. And hold this. Now get into cat position. We'll hold cat and camel position. First camel. Hold it. Now go in cat position. Try to touch your chin to your chest. Stretch your back and chest in upward direction. Make a hump. Now from here, go in Bhujangasana. And now in Parvatasana. Try to press your heels in the ground. Now get into plank, take one leg ahead in spider leg position and try to press your knee in forward direction. Change with other leg. Now both legs closed and get into deep squat position. Hold this for 10 to 15 counts. Try to keep your back straight. Now touch your palms on the ground and try to lift your knees, lift your hip, lock your knees and slowly roll up. Quickly do shoulder stretch. Excellent. We'll do next stretch to end. Change